Chapter 9 India Climate, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. A quick glance. Different climatic conditions found in India. Factors affecting the climate in India. The seasons of India. Distribution of rainfall. Natural vegetation of India. Conservation of forests in India. Wildlife in India and its conservation. India is a vast country with varied relief features. This is the main reason for the climatic conditions varying greatly from region to region. The two important elements of such climatic variations in India are temperature and rainfall. There are great variations in the distribution of temperature and rainfall in India from season to season and also from region to region because India has a vast latitudinal extent and different relief features. Some places are very hot where the temperature may rise up to 50 degrees Celsius,
like in Rajasthan, whereas some places are very cold where the temperature may be as low as -40 degrees Celsius, like in Ladakh. The coastal areas have a moderate climate with very small variation in summer and winter temperatures, like in Mumbai. The interior northern regions in our country have extreme climate with very hot summers and very cold winters. The annual rainfall in some places, like in Mawsynram, Meghalaya, exceeds 500 cm, while in Rajasthan it is less than 10 cm. The hilly regions like Shimla, Mussoorie, Srinagar, etc. have a cool climate all the year round.
In spite of all these great variations in the climatic conditions within India, it generally has a tropical monsoon type of climate with dry winters. In most areas of the country, high temperature almost all round the year and reversal in wind direction due to seasonal changes during the year. Factors affecting the climate in India. Latitude. India lies between 8 degrees 4 north and 37 degrees 6 north latitudes. The Tropic of Cancer passes almost through the middle of India. The southern part of the country lies in the tropical zone, while the northern part lies in the subtropical zone. Thus, except in areas of high altitude, the temperature remains high during the summer season all over the country. But during winter, the temperature falls considerably in the northern plains. In many parts of Himalayas, the temperature dips so much that it goes under freezing point. In the rest of the country, it remains moderate. Thus, India has a hot tropical climate. Altitude is the height of a place in relation to the mean sea level or ground level. The temperature of a place also depends on its altitude. This is why places in the mountains are cooler than the places in the plains, because temperature decreases with an increase in altitude. It has been estimated that there is a decrease of 1 degree Celsius in temperature with every increase of 165 mean in altitude. For example, Shimla
and Ludhiana
are located at the same latitude, but Shimla is
colder than Ludhiana
because of its higher altitude
than Ludhiana.
Hill station in South India, like Ooty in the Nilgiri Hills, is pleasant all the year round, although it is relatively close to the equator. Distance from the sea. The places that are nearer to the sea have a moderate climate all year long, but the places that are far away from the sea have extreme climate with hotter summers and colder winters. This happens because of the moderating effect of the seas on the coastal areas, whereas places at a distance from the seas are void of such moderating influences. Seasonal winds. Monsoon winds cause rainfall in India. The southwest monsoon causes abundant rainfall in most parts of India from June to September, whereas northeast monsoon causes rainfall in coastal areas
like Tamil Nadu
in winters. Apart from the monsoon winds, other seasonal winds also affect the climate of different places in India. Winds coming in India from the northwest during winters cause cold waves in northern India. Hot and dry winds called Lu blow over certain parts of northern plains in the summer season, causing a significant increase in temperature. Relief features. Relief refers to the highest and lowest elevation points in an area. The various relief features are responsible for the changes in the climatic conditions. The Himalayas act as a barrier against the ice-cold winds from northern Asia and keep the country warm. They stop the monsoon winds from blowing into Central Asia and help in causing heavy rainfall during the monsoon season. The Western Ghats influence the climate in peninsular India. The western slopes of the Western Ghats face the rain-bearing winds coming from the Arabian Sea, as such receive heavy rainfall, whereas its eastern slopes lying in the rain shadow area receive low rainfall. The seasons of India. There is a regular cycle of seasons during the entire year in India. This cycle has 4 different seasons. They are as follows. Winter season, December to February. During the winter season, cold and dry winds blow from north to south. Winter season in India starts in December. This is the time when the sun's rays fall directly on the Tropic of Capricorn in the southern hemisphere. Temperature starts decreasing from south to north. January is the coldest month of the season. During this time, the mean temperature in southern and peninsular India is around 20 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius, whereas the temperature in the northern part is around 1 degree Celsius, while in northernmost part of the country, the temperature may dip to 0 degrees Celsius or below. During this time, the days get shorter and nights become longer. Low temperature and great distance from the sea causes a high pressure zone to be built up in northern India. At the same time, the southern parts of India, being quite close to the equator, are warmer, and this results in the building up of low pressure zone over it. This causes dry and chilly winds blow from north to south, keeping a major part of India dry during winter. However, when these winds pass over the Bay of Bengal, they become moisture-laden and hence cause rainfall in the Coromandel coast in Tamil Nadu. This rain-causing wind is called northeast monsoon. This rainfall is of great importance for growing paddy in South India. There is a light rainfall in northern India during winters caused by western disturbance, which are cyclonic storms originating in the Mediterranean Sea. These moisture-laden winds blow eastwards from the Mediterranean regions, causing cold waves, light rainfall in northern India and snowfall in the higher reaches of the Himalayas. These winter rainfalls help in the growing of wheat in Punjab and summer season March to June. During summer season, the sun's rays fall directly on the equator. This season has a hot and dry weather which begins in March and continues up to May. In certain places, it continues till the end of June. The Deccan Plateau and the places close to the sea experience moderate temperature and are comparatively cooler than the northern areas,
such as Chandigarh and Delhi, which experience a temperature of 45 degrees Celsius or above.
Hot, dry and dusty winds called Lu blow during the day. The high temperature in northern India creates low pressure zone, causing local storms accompanied by pre-monsoon showers and sometimes hail in different parts of India. In many places in India, these storms are called mango showers as they help in the ripening of mangoes. These storms, accompanied by heavy rainfall and lightning, are called Kalburgasakes in West Bengal and Bodoshila in Assam. These storms give temporary relief from the scorching summer heat. However, hill stations in northern India remain cool during this period. Monsoon, July to September. Monsoon season or rainy season is not regular in its arrival or return. The increasing temperature lowers the pressure over northern India by the end of May, which causes air from the high pressure zones over the Indian Ocean blow towards India as monsoon winds. This low-pressure zone attracts the southeast trade winds towards itself from the southern hemisphere. After crossing the equator, these trade winds get deflected to the right of their path in northern hemisphere towards the peninsular India and Myanmar. Blowing over the Indian Ocean, these winds get moisture-laden and cause heavy rainfall in India. Since these winds enter India from the southwest direction, they are called southwest monsoon winds. The Indian peninsula bifurcates the southwest monsoon winds into two branches, the Arabian Sea branch and the Bay of Bengal branch. The Arabian Sea branch reaches the west coast of India, causing heavy rainfall in the western coastal areas and the western slope of the Western Ghats. Kerala is the first Indian state to experience the onset of advancing monsoon in the beginning of June. The rest of the southern India, which lies in the rain shadow of the Western Ghats, receive less rainfall. It gradually moves northwards towards central and northern India, where it causes rainfall. However, these winds do not cause much rainfall
in Rajasthan because the Aravalli range that lies parallel to its path does not obstruct it. Finally, it merges with the Bay of Bengal branch in the northern part of India.
The Bay of Bengal branch first reaches the western coast of Myanmar, where it is deflected westwards towards the
Ganga-Brahmaputra delta by the Arakan-Yuma range of mountains. Unable to cross the Himalayas, they cause heavy rainfall in the northeastern parts of India. It moves further westwards, causing heavy rainfall in West Bengal, Bihar, Jharkhand, Uttar Pradesh, and other regions along its path.
Both these branches of the southwest monsoon winds cause rainfall over the entire country except
Tamil Nadu.
The amount of rainfall decreases from south to north and from east to west. It also gradually decreases from the coastal areas towards the interior lands. In India, agriculture also depends on the monsoon rains. Season of retreating monsoon, October to November. The season of retreating monsoon or the autumn season begins from Punjab in late September and continues up to the mid of November. The monsoon retreats very slowly and gradually. It is a period of transition from hot and humid climate to cool and dry climate. The months of October and November have clear skies and the temperature is slightly increased. This is the season of scorching heat because the weather becomes oppressive due to excessive heat and high humidity, which is also called October heat. By November, the temperature in northern India starts dropping rapidly, creating an area of high pressure zone. The low pressure area shifts to the Bay of Bengal, leading to the reversal in the direction of the monsoon winds. These winds that blow from the northeast to the southwest are called northeast trade winds or northeast monsoons. They cause rainfall in the coastal
Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. During this season, cyclones originate in the Bay of Bengal, which are destructive and cause great loss of life and property in Andhra Pradesh, coastal Tamil Nadu, Odisha, and the Ganga-Brahmaputra Delta regions. By the late part of October, the retreating monsoon winds withdraw from the Ganga-Brahmaputra Delta, and by December, the winter season sets in the country.
Distribution of rainfall. The distribution of rainfall is not uniform in India. It varies across regions depending upon the direction of the monsoon winds and the relief features of the place. Most of the precipitation in India occurs in the form of rainfall which ranges from very high to low. Parts of Meghalaya in northeast India receive more than 900 cms of average annual rainfall, whereas some southwest parts of Rajasthan in northwest India receive less than 10 cms of average annual rainfall. Very heavy rainfall. The Arabian Sea branch of the southwest monsoon winds causes very heavy rainfall in the western coastal plains and the western slopes of Western Ghats. The Bay of Bengal branch of the southwest monsoon winds causes very heavy rainfall in the Brahmaputra basin, Meghalaya, and most of the northeastern states. Mawsynram in Meghalaya has been declared to be the wettest region of the world. Most of these regions receive more than 200 cms of rainfall annually, and some places in this part receive more than 400 cms of rainfall annually. Mawsynram has recorded more than 1,700 centimeters of annual rainfall. Heavy rainfall. The Bay of Bengal branch of the southwest monsoon winds causes heavy rainfall in the Himalayan region, the Gangetic Plains in West Bengal and Bihar, and northeastern parts of Peninsular Plateau. The northeast monsoon winds cause heavy rainfall in the eastern coastal regions of India. The average annual rainfall in these regions is between 100 centimeters to 200 centimeters. Moderate rainfall. The regions with an annual average rainfall between 50 centimeters to 100 centimeters is termed as regions of moderate rainfall. These include
Eastern Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, South Kashmir, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu.
Low or scanty rainfall.
Western Rajasthan, Southern Punjab, Ladakh, northern parts of Kashmir, northern
Kinnaur,
and Lahaul Spiti in Himachal Pradesh,
and leeward side of Western Ghats receive scanty rainfall which is less than 50 centimeters. Conservation of forests. The types of services provided by forests and in the ways they play an important role in maintaining ecological balance in nature and boosting the economy of the country. They are natural wealths of the nation and need to be conserved. The present forest cover in India is estimated to be roughly around 24%, which is far behind the directives of National Forest Policy, which has fixed it at 33%. This shortage has been created by deforestation, which needs to be checked by framing necessary policies by the Government of India and wholehearted participation of all the citizens of the country. A positive step has already been taken by the Government of India by adopting the National Forest Policy of 1952, which was amended in 1988. As per the guidelines of this policy, a Forest Research Institute has been established in Dehradun and has been entrusted with the responsibility of managing, protecting and developing the forest resources in India. This institute promotes social forestry by training the people to look after the forests and encourages their involvement by launching various forest conservation programs like Van Mahotsav, agroforestry, etc. Therefore, all the citizens of India need to take immediate steps to save our forests from further depletion by stopping deforestation, planting more trees and protecting the existing ones. By our combined efforts, we can make our earth green. Wildlife. India has a rich biodiversity. More than 80,000 species of animals, 1,200 species of birds, many types of reptiles and other creatures are found in India. The elephant is the largest mammal found in India. It is found in the forests of Assam,
West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu and Kerala.
The one-horned rhinoceros, an endangered species, also dwells in India. These are found in Assam and West Bengal, where they have been kept in protection in Kaziranga and Manas National Parks in Assam and Jaldapara Wildlife Sanctuary in West Bengal. Snow leopard is found in the Himalayas only. India is the only country in the world where both tigers and lions are found. The Gir forests of
Gujarat
is the natural habitat of the Asiatic lions. Tigers are mainly found in the forests of West Bengal, Madhya Pradesh and foothills of the Himalayas. The red panda and ibex also dwell in the forests of the Himalayas. The yak is found in Ladakh. The Indian bison, also known as gaur in the local language, is found in the Peninsular Plateau and in some parts of North India. Besides these, Indian forests are home to many other species of animals such as deer, antelopes, monkeys, blue bull, nilgai, black buck, wolves, jackals, bears, etc. Many bird species like parrots, peacocks, hawks, owls, kingfishers, storks, barbets, etc. are found in India. During the winter season, many species of birds like Amur falcon, etc. migrate to India from colder regions. India is home to a variety of reptiles like snakes, lizards, crocodiles, gharials, turtles, etc. However, the number of some of the species like one-horned rhinoceros, tiger, the great Indian bustard, musk deer, black buck and crocodile are drastically reducing. They have entered the category of endangered species. This decline is due to the hunting and poaching of these animals for commercial and personal benefits. Conservation of wildlife. Animals and birds must be protected because they are an integral part of our ecosystem. Therefore, the government has taken steps to save them from illegal hunters and poachers and save their natural habitats. A positive step taken by the Government of India was the enactment of India Wildlife Protection Act of 1972. Many biosphere reserves, national parks, and wildlife sanctuaries have been created to protect our natural wealth. Biosphere reserves are areas where several ecosystems are found. Within these reserves, the entire ecosystem is preserved. These are multi-purpose protected areas which aim at demonstrating the relationship between conservation and development. About 18 biosphere reserves have been set up in India to protect flora and fauna. National parks are protected areas where animals and natural vegetation are conserved. At present, there are about 106 national parks in India. Wildlife sanctuaries are those protected areas where preservation, regeneration, and development of endangered species is ensured. At present, there are 565 wildlife sanctuaries in India. Apart from all these, more than 164 zoological gardens have been set up to take care of natural heritage of India. The Government of India launched the Project Tiger in 1973 to save the tiger population in India. At present, there are more than 50 tiger reserves in our country. The Project Elephant was launched in 1992 to protect the Asiatic elephant. Since then, Project Rhino, Project Cheetah, and many other eco-developmental projects have been introduced. The Government of India has set up Wildlife Institute of India in Dehradun to train people to protect and manage wildlife and create awareness among the common masses. The first week of October every year is celebrated as Wildlife Week in our country. We all must promote awareness about wildlife conservation as they are our wild friends who share this planet Earth. Glossary: Rain shadow area, an area of dry land that lies on the leeward side of a mountain, deflected to change direction after hitting something. Hail: precipitation in the form of small balls or lumps of ice. Moderating: to make something less strong or extreme. Sustenance: the process of making something continue to exist. Recap: in spite of the great variations in the climatic conditions within India, it generally has tropical monsoon type of climate. The factors affecting the climate in India are latitude, altitude, distance from the sea, seasonal winds and relief features. The four main seasons of India are winter, summer, monsoon, and retreating monsoon. The distribution of rainfall in India is not uniform. The four rainfall regions of India are very heavy, moderate, and scanty. The different types of natural vegetation found in India are tropical rainforests, tropical deciduous forests, thorn forest, tidal forests, and mountain forests. Forests are very important for the sustenance of life on Earth. India has a rich biodiversity. A rich variety of wildlife is found in India. The Government of India has set up many biosphere reserves, national parks and wildlife sanctuaries to protect and conserve flora and fauna.